Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best aluminum rivets is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable fasteners available in the market today, offering a robust and permanent joining solution for a wide array of applications across various industries, from aerospace and automotive to construction and general fabrication, ensuring structural integrity and reliability where traditional screws or bolts might fail or be impractical to use. Number 5. ISPINNER 316x12 Aluminum Blind Rivets, 100 PCS. Introducing ISPINNER's high-quality aluminum blind rivets. These are designed for durability and strength, ensuring a reliable connection every time. Crafted with an aluminum grip and steel mandrel, they offer exceptional resistance to corrosion and acids. You can trust them not to rust or break after installation. Each rivet features a 3/16 head diameter and a 1/2 grip length. Please refer to the image for detailed size specifications and grip range. This pack contains 100 rivets, conveniently organized in a paper bag for easy storage and access. Keep them ready for your next project. Their robust design makes them ideal for both indoor and outdoor applications. They provide a secure fastening without deforming surfaces and handle temperature changes well. What we like. These rivets offer excellent corrosion and acid resistance, ensuring durability. If you need a reliable fastener for both indoor and outdoor use that won't rust or break, these are a solid choice. They are perfect for general-purpose applications where longevity is key. What people say. The rivets are made of aluminum, which is a good material for corrosion resistance. These rivets are 3/16" in diameter, a common size for many applications. The rivets appear to be well-formed and consistent in size, which is important for reliable installation. Number 4. 60 PCS Large Flange Aluminum Blind Rivets. Introducing our large flange blind rivets, crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy. They offer superior corrosion resistance and a long service life. The large flange design provides increased riveting force and a broader support surface. This makes them ideal for soft materials and various indoor and outdoor applications. With a 3/16" diameter and 5/8" length, these rivets are designed for a recommended grip range of 8 to 12 mm. They ensure a secure and stable connection. Experience excellent stability and durability with their robust construction. The smooth core pulling ensures a fast and reliable fastening process. This assortment kit includes 60 pieces of 3/16 by 5/8" large flange blind rivets. You'll have plenty for all your fastening needs. What we like. Featuring a large flange, these rivets provide superior holding power and a wider support surface. If you are working with soft materials or need extra assurance against pull-through, this is the ideal option. They offer good stability and a long service life for demanding applications. What people say. These rivets are made of aluminum, making them lightweight and resistant to corrosion, which is ideal for outdoor applications. The 3/16" size is versatile and fits well in most standard rivet guns, providing a secure and reliable fastening solution. The rivets have a smooth finish and consistent dimensions, ensuring a professional look and easy installation without jamming. Number 3. ISPINNER 100 PCS 6 Sizes Aluminum Blind Rivets Assortment Kit. Crafted from high-quality aluminum grip and steel mandrel, these rivets are built to last. They offer a robust and reliable fastening solution for your projects. This comprehensive kit includes 100 rivets in 6 different sizes, ranging from 3/16 x 5/16 to 3/16 x 1. You'll have the perfect size for any job. Featuring a thick shaft, these fasteners ensure a firm and secure fixation. They pop out reliably when tightened, providing a strong hold you can count on. All 100 pieces are neatly organized in a transparent plastic case, making storage and access a breeze. The case itself can be repurposed for additional storage needs. These rivets are exceptionally strong and suitable for a wide range of applications, both indoors and outdoors. They maintain their integrity without deforming surfaces and resist temperature changes. What we like. This kit offers a versatile assortment of 6 different sizes in one convenient package. If you often encounter projects requiring various rivet lengths or appreciate organized storage, this is the perfect solution. The sturdy case keeps everything tidy and accessible for any task. What people say. The rivets are made of aluminum, which is a lightweight and corrosion-resistant material. These rivets are 3/16 inches in diameter, a common size for many fastening applications. The rivets are designed for use with aluminum materials, providing a strong and secure joint. Number 2. Aero RLA 316 IP Aluminum Pop Rivets. Introducing Aero Pop Rivets, the perfect solution for your riveting needs. These fasteners are ideal for a wide range of projects, from sheet metal work to automotive repairs. Designed for light-duty applications, these rivets offer excellent performance on various materials like metal, fabric, and leather. Their aluminum construction ensures durability for everyday use. Experience a stronger riveting force with the large flange design. This provides a larger supporting surface and extra protection for softer materials, ensuring a secure and reliable hold. Whether you're working indoors or outdoors, these rivets are up to the task. They are suitable for a variety of applications, making them a versatile addition to your toolkit. These rivets are designed to work seamlessly with most manual, electric, and pneumatic rivet tools. You can rely on them to perform with your existing equipment. Each pack contains 50 aluminum rivets with a 3/16 inch diameter and a 1-2 inch grip range. They come carded for your convenience, ready for immediate use. What we like. Designed for light-duty projects, these rivets boast a large flange for added strength and support, especially on softer surfaces. If you're tackling projects with sheet metal, fabric, leather, or doing auto repairs where a strong but gentle hold is needed, these are a great fit. They work well with most standard rivet guns. What people say. The rivets are made of aluminum, which is a lightweight and corrosion-resistant material. These rivets are 3/16 inches in diameter, a common size for many fastening applications. The product is suitable for joining thin materials together, providing a secure and permanent connection. Number 1. 100 PCS 316x1 Aluminum Blind Rivets. Introducing our high-quality aluminum blind rivets, designed for a secure and reliable connection. Each pack contains 100 pieces for your convenience. These rivets feature a thick shaft that ensures a strong hold when tightened. They are engineered to pop securely, providing a dependable fastening solution. The design of these rivets increases the connection area with the board. This effectively expands the force area, leading to a more robust assembly. Crafted with an aluminum grip and a steel mandrel, these rivets offer durability and performance. They are built to withstand demanding applications. With a diameter of 3/16 inch and a grip range of 0.236 to 0.827 inches, they are suitable for various projects. The recommended drill size is number 11.194. These silver-colored pop rivets are perfect for a wide range of fastening needs. Their construction ensures a secure and lasting bond in your projects. What we like. These rivets feature a thick shaft and an increased connect area to provide a more secure and forceful hold. If your priority is maximum fastening strength and you're looking for a reliable connection that won't easily pull through, this is the product for you. They are ideal for applications demanding robust joint integrity. What people say. These rivets are a good size for many projects. They hold very securely once installed. The aluminum construction makes them lightweight and resistant to corrosion. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.